Create OneKey Wallet account. How to register OneKey Wallet profile. In order to create OneKey Wallet profile, all we have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the OneKey Wallet application on your phone. And this is the interface that you can see. Here you'll find an option called Create Wallet. Just make sure to tap on that option. And here you can tap on Create New Wallet. Now when we tap on Create New Wallet, there are various options like creating a seed phrase wallet, but you mustn't share that phrase with anyone, or you can continue with Apple or your Google account. So you can select continue with Google from here. When you do that, simply select your Google account from the list and make sure to allow the access of your Google account by tapping on continue. And after you've done that, again tap on continue and your OneKey wallet will be successfully created, and you have to just create your PIN, and this cannot be recovered without your PIN. So this way you can create a OneKey wallet account. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.